Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is all about how to become more attractive in just 30 days. If you've been feeling like your confidence could use a boost or you just want to feel more attractive, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing my top tips on how to become more attractive in just 30 days. Let's get started. Tip 1. Focus on your skincare routine. The first step in becoming more attractive is to focus on your skincare routine. This means taking care of your skin, both inside and out. Make sure to drink plenty of water. Eat a healthy diet full of fruits and vegetables, and get enough sleep. Additionally, find skincare products that work well for your skin type and use them consistently. In just 30 days, you'll notice a significant improvement in the look and feel of your skin, which will naturally make you more attractive. Tip 2. Pay attention to your body language. Did you know that your body language can have a big impact on how attractive you appear to others? That's right. Simply by adjusting your posture and the way you carry yourself, you can become instantly more attractive. Stand up straight, roll your shoulders back, and make eye contact when speaking to others. These small adjustments can make a big difference in how you're perceived. Tip 3. Improve your wardrobe. Another way to become more attractive in just 30 days is to improve your wardrobe. This doesn't mean you have to go out and buy a whole new wardrobe, but it does mean taking a critical look at what you currently have and making some adjustments. Get rid of anything that doesn't fit or flatter your body and invest in a few key pieces that make you feel confident and stylish. When you look good, you'll feel good, and that confidence will make you even more attractive. Tip 4. Smile more. Smiling is a simple yet powerful way to become more attractive. It instantly makes you appear more approachable and friendly, which is a major plus in social situations. Try to make a conscious effort to smile more throughout the day, even if you don't feel like it at first. In just 30 days, you'll find that smiling becomes more natural and effortless, and you'll naturally become more attractive to others. Tip 5. Focus on your inner beauty. Lastly, it's important to remember that true beauty comes from within. While focusing on your external appearance can certainly help boost your confidence, it's equally important to focus on cultivating your inner beauty. This means practicing self-care, being kind to yourself and others, and doing things that bring you joy. When you're happy and confident on the inside, it will radiate outwards and make you even more attractive to others. And that's it for today's video on how to become more attractive in just 30 days. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you'll give them a try. Remember, becoming more attractive isn't about changing who you are or conforming to societal standards of beauty. It's about being the best version of yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.